Hey buddy, it's Middlesita, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make butter slime. In my other video, I showed you guys how to make butter slime without clay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make butter slime with clay. So before I start this video on making the slime, I want to give a big shout out to my big brother Rigo, because first of all, he bought me this stuff, and second of all, he gave me the idea of making this video. So I'm gonna give a shout out to my big brother Rigo. So let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is Model Magic, some food coloring, some slime activator. I got this from a box, but I used all the activator and I put borax. So all you need is some water and borax, a bowl and a spoon, and some glue. I got the Model Magic from Walmart, but you can find it at any crafting store. So first, you're gonna need to get your glue in your bowl. I got the glue in the bowl and the spoon. I also have the activator near here and the coloring. You're gonna need that later. But first, you're just gonna add your glue into the bowl. You're gonna add how much glue you want. Okay, I think that's enough. Now, once you have all your glue inside your bowl, what you're gonna do, if you do have coloring, if you want to color it, you can get coloring and just color it what color you want. And put blue and green. Now I'm gonna put the green. Here's green. I'm gonna add little by little because this coloring is very, very strong. So I don't want to add too much and just be all green or blue. Oh my gosh, I almost added a lot. Okay, now that I got all my food coloring, or you got all your food coloring, you're just gonna mix it in. And I'll be right back once I'm done mixing everything in. It looks blue on the camera, but it looks like teal in real life. Or it looks baby blue on the camera, actually. But I finally finished it. Now I'm gonna add the clay in. You have to make sure it's not sticky to you. I'm just gonna put that aside and grab the clay. Oh, here's the clay. Here's the clay. So I found this table in my closet, so I'm just going to use it for the slime. The slime is all finished. It looks green in the camera, but in real life it's like blue, but then it's green at the same time. It's weird. So now I'm going to get my clay. It's super heavy. I'm going to get my clay. Here's how it... I'll be right back when I open it. Guys, so I started mixing this. So I opened the package and I also opened the Model Magic. There was 4 in total, and then I used 1 to just add water to it. So now I have only 2. So yeah. So I'm gonna use a whole block of this to put it in the slime. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there and mix. You know what? Put the whole thing in there. Mix. So once you just start mixing, you just mix it until it's all mixed in. And then you have your butter slime. Guys, so here it is. Not as you can see, but I did add glue so it'll be softer. You can add like lotion if you want. I added glue because I don't know where my lotion is. So here it is. It came out to be a light blue, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Remember, if I get to 20 subscribers, I will do an ASMR just for you guys. And yeah, I think that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.